This is a very proud moment for me to address you as a mayor of this most renowned, beautiful city of the country. Thanks to your good wishes and the faith imposed in me by my seniors to don the mantle of this prestigious post. Firstly, I thank all voters of my constituency, Ward number 28, who elected me as a representative and consequently created this opportunity to represent all citizens of this capital city. I am very grateful to our leader, Shri Babu Mansar, who has imposed such great faith in me while proposing my name to take up this challenging task. Although novice this level of politics, I have seen this city developing since my childhood and am well aware of vast scope of challenges before me to streamline the development works and take decisions resulting into ease and comfort in the day-to-day lives of all stakeholders involved: the household, establishment, vendors, travelers, tourists, etc. I look forward to the guidance and cooperation from the Commissioner, the entire team of operators, government bodies, all staff members of the corporation, and also the media persons while discharging my new responsibilities in the wider interest of the city. I shall envisage special cooperation and guidance from the MLA of the Kanji constituency, Shri Manohar Parrikar, who incidentally is a Honorable Chief Minister of the state and hence means a lot. I cannot but expect valuable cooperation and support from my predecessor Shri Surendra Prasad, who prolonged experience in the role will be guidance force for me. Dear friends, I have just completed 2 years of my term as a corporator and clearly enjoyed my role for development of the ward under my purview, and the role gets enhanced multifold now that I have to cater to the needs of the entire city. But today I stand confident that blessings of the almighty guidance of my leader, good wishes and cooperation of all of you will make my task easier for a minimum terms of 1 year, resulting into a very fulfilling and satisfying scenario for my fellow citizens. I look forward for full cooperation from the Commissioner, Mr. Chitral, and other staff of CCP, especially workers of CCP. Thanking you all once again and promising you a very dedicated, honest, focused and well-intended service in your favor. Thank you.
And all my corporators who helped me become a educated and all my voters, especially next all my voters who voted for me to become the corporator of Ward number 22, Alvino, my family, my husband, and all my supporters. Thank you very much.
Deputy Mayor, and again you have been in, what are the main priorities of the citizen?
The main priority basically is to see that everyone works together in the interest of the city. As far as our manifesto is concerned, we are here to see that our manifesto is implemented. And the service, the new mayor, I want to see that the new mayor gives the service to the people at their doorstep. That will be the priority.
How you see that it come out all opposed today? Did you have a talk with the opposition?
No, I think we had a talk. We could not say that we had talks with our colleagues, and then we had come to a consensus that we should they should not put in a candidate, and we all came together. So it was a gesture of goodwill, because we need that gesture basically for development of city of Delhi. We all should come together. Elections come and go, but most important thing is after the election what we do for the city. That is more important. Maybe some part has been done, but I said whatever, I wanted we men. It is not I. So first it was I, now it is we.